If you're getting this error message when you plug in your USB or hard drive, here's how to fix it. When I plugged in my external hard drive, all that was showing up was just this label here and nothing else. And when I tried to open it, it gave me that error message. So here is how I fixed it and got access to all my files again. I went to command prompt by hitting the Windows button, searching at CMD, and then running it as administrator by right-clicking on it and typing in the following command. Check disk, so CHKDSK space D, which is the drive letter, followed by a colon space /F space /R, and then running that command. Now I'm getting this error message, but when the drive is corrupt like that, Windows isn't really even accessing it, so it will not be in use. So we'll actually be able to run this command, but because it's fully functioning, it is now giving me this error message. If you also try to run this on your C drive, which usually is your main drive that Windows is running off of, you'll always get this error message because Windows is actually running off of that drive. So obviously you can't lock the drive down because Windows is not going to be able to operate. So you're going to have to do it a slightly different way. You can either hit yes and then have Windows do this by itself. The next time you restart your computer, you simply punch in yes, and then you go down here to your power options and hit restart, and then you can let it do its thing. Or you can also go into recovery mode yourself by searching for updates. So just going into settings, Windows Update, and then advanced options and recovery, and then hit restart now here, and then you go into troubleshoot, and from there you can access command prompt the same way as we have it here, but then the drive isn't in use because Windows hasn't booted up yet. And then you'll be able to run this command again and it will work and fix your drive. Even if you have that with external drives, if it's not working this way because of this error message, try doing it that way, going into recovery mode, very simple, and then doing the exact same thing, same command, and that should fix it.